Hey everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Bienvenidos a mi cocina. Today, we're going to just jump right into this video. Before we get started, if you want to see more recipes like this, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any recipes. Today, we're going to be making milanesa de pollo, which is lightly breaded fried chicken cutlet. Hola mis cariños, bienvenidos a mi cocina. Hoy les traigo una receta muy rica, muy fácil de hacer. Se llama milanesa de pollo o empanizado de pollo. Antes de empezar, si quiere ver más videos como así, suscríbete a mi canal y activa la campana para no perderte mis videos. For this recipe, you're going to need 2 large chicken breasts, 1 cup of breadcrumb. I'm using seasoned breadcrumb for more flavor. You need 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of milk, 2 eggs, oil, sazón completa, salt and pepper. Para esta receta necesitamos 2 pechugas de pollo, 1 taza de pan rallado, 1 taza de harina, la misma cantidad de leche, 2 huevos, aceite, sazón completa, sal y pimienta al gusto. El primer paso es lavar las pechugas de pollo y después cortarlas por la mitad a lo largo en estilo mariposado o filet para crear 2 piezas más finas. Tiene que poner cada pieza entre papel de plástico o una bolsa de Ziploc, aplanar la pechuga bien fina. So the first thing you want to do is clean your chicken and remove the fat, and then you want to slice the chicken basically butterfly style, so that when you slice it sideways, you're going to butterfly the chicken and or fillet the chicken, and then you want to put it between a baggie or plastic wrap and flatten it. After you flatten it, then you can either season it, put the season directly on the chicken, or you can season your batter. Después de aplanar las pechugas de pollo, puede añadir su condimento seco directamente a tus pechugas de pollo o en sus huevos batidos. The next thing you're going to do is crack your eggs, and I'm using 2 eggs. If you need to use more eggs, you can use more eggs. After that, I'm going to beat the eggs and season my eggs. I'm going to add my seasoning directly into the eggs. And along with that, I'm going to add my milk into it also. A continuación, voy a romper los huevos y batirlos y poner mis condimentos secos directamente en mis huevos batidos. En mi caso, estoy usando sazón completa, sal y pimienta. This dish is influenced by the Italians. It's very popular in Latin America, and in Cuban restaurants, you'll find this dish made 2 ways: fried plain or fried with a sauce, ham and cheese. Next, I'm going to add about a 1/4 cup of milk to my eggs. If you need to add a little more milk, you can add more milk according to how much chicken you have. Le voy a echar 4 tazas de leche a mis huevos. Echa poquito más si es necesario. So now we're going to prepare to bread the chicken. So for me, I like to just add the chicken directly into the eggs, and I like to mix my flour and my breadcrumb together. Everybody does it differently, but this is how I like to do it, and I use less dishes. So le voy a mostrar lo que me gusta empanizar mi pollo. Me gusta poner el pollo en los huevos batidos primero y después mezcla el pan rallado con la harina. So now let's start breading our chicken. Vamos a empanizar nuestras pechugas de pollo. Now, for this next step, you may prefer to use gloves, but you don't really need gloves. It's your food. You're cooking it, unless you're cooking it for other people. Put gloves on. But in my case, I'm cooking it for myself and my husband. So I am just going to add my breadcrumb directly on top of the chicken. And you want to press to make sure that all the breadcrumb is stuck to your chicken. Para este siguiente paso, puede usar guantes, especialmente si está cocinando para otras personas. En mi caso, estoy cocinando para mi marido y yo. Asegúrese de que usted presione fuerte el pan rallado para que se pegue al pollo. Next, you want to cover your chicken with saran wrap and you want to put it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes so that the breadcrumb can solidify and stick better to your chicken. And it won't fall apart when you're frying it. Ahora, cubre el pollo con plástico y lo pone en la nevera por 30 minutos, más o menos, para que el pan rallado se pegue mejor. Después, 30 minutos, fría las pechugas de pollo hasta que sean muy doradas y bien crujientes. You want to fry your chicken until it's nicely golden brown, and you want to fry it until it's crunchy. These cook really quickly because they're so thin. They may take about 3 to 4 minutes on each side to cook. Estas pechugas de pollo cocinan rápidamente, alrededor 3 a 4 minutos cada lado. When you're making this dish, you can use any kind of oil you want. You can also bake these or air fry these. You don't have to fry them in the oil. Puedes hacer este plato en la freidora de aire o en el horno también. And if you make this dish ahead of time and you're not ready to eat it, you can also put this in the oven and just put it on a low temperature, about 200, and it will stay crunchy. Si no estás listo para comerlo inmediato, puedes ponerlo en el horno a temperatura baja, alrededor de 200 grados, por unos minutos, para que se mantengan crujientes. Well, guys, here is my delicious milanesa de pollo, and I'm pairing it with some white rice, frijoles negro, black beans, and some maduros, which are plantains, sweet plantains, and a side salad. Bueno, mi gente, aquí tiene mi plato rico, mi milanesa de pollo, acompañado con arroz blanco, frijoles negros, maduros, y una ensalada. Well, my friends, before I go, I just want to leave a link to my playlist of the most popular Cuban recipes. You can check it out by clicking the link above or clicking the video card at the end of the video. And also stop by Facebook and check out my new group called Cooking the Cuban Way. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Bueno, mi gente, es hora para ayudarme. Gracias por verme. Si te gusta este video, dale un like y suscríbete a mi canal y haz clic la campana para no perderte mis videos. Sígueme en Facebook en mi nuevo grupo, Cooking the Cuban Way. Y también sígueme en Instagram y otros lugares. Muchas bendiciones. Hasta la próxima. Bye bye.